Anyone? What is that rational drug design? See, for example, if you have a lock, right, and you have a key for it, and by chance you miss the key or you have lost the key, so what you will be doing? You will be developing the new keys, right? You will be developing the new keys. So, for example, see, breaking the lock is also the option, but that will not come under the this thing, rational drug design. So basically, what we'll be doing, we'll be developing the new keys. So how the new keys will be developed now? Because we have already lost the keys. So what will be the basis from how the keys will be developed now? Anyone? Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can anybody comment how we
Yes, sir.
can, what is the rational drug design actually? Anyone? See, for example, if there is a lock, I am saying there is a lock and it has a keys, right? And you have by chance you have missed the keys or you have lost the keys. So what you will be doing? You will be asking someone who actually designed the keys to design a key for that particular lock, right? You cannot break that lock first thing, right? So what that person will do? What he will study about? He will study about the receptor first or the lever where that key is actually binding, right? To develop a new key, right? This will be the first thing. The second thing, if the key is worn out, means if there is a key and some of its lever has been broken, so what you have to do, you have to again make a new key in that situation, right? So how that new key will be made? That key will be made on the basis of the existing key, right? So when we are actually making a drug on the basis of a receptor, for example, how when we are making a key on the basis of the lever lock lever, right? So it is called the structural based drug design, right? So this comes under the rational drug design. The second thing, when we are making a homologous key, the same type of key using the previous key, right? That is called the ligand based drug design, right? So basically the cimetidine, so the cimetidine that was developed was the first drug, right? That was developed by using the rational drug design. So this is a very important question. They may ask you which was the first drug that was developed on the basis of the rational drug design. Means there should be some rational to design that particular drug, right? So basically it is the cimetidine, which was the first drug, right? I think you all are feeling tiredness, or it's a boring lecture. Any issues? Anyone? Anyone? Great. Are you getting something on the S2 antagonist or not? Guys, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So are you getting something on the S2 receptor? I'm just feeling like I am talking to the wall. So that is my problem, right? I actually love the interactive classes. So if there is some problem, you are not getting anything, you may ask the questions. If you're not getting anything, then you can say you are not getting anything, right? Or is there something other problem? You can be very frank. You can just share the things if there are some problems or some issues are there, right? So I'm just feeling you are all getting bored. So what I'll do, I'll start with the cimetidine in the tomorrow class, right? So I'll start the cimetidine tomorrow, right? If someone is having any queries, any doubts or anything like that, they may ask. Anyone with any questions or doubts or queries? Have you heard about the OHT? OHT, anyone? Overhead transmission. So that could be the one reason also, where the things are going from the top, right? So this is also one of the reason कि no one is interacting. So is there any questions, queries, or if you're not getting anything? If you're not getting anything from the previous classes, then you can also say, right? So I think no one is in the mood to ask the questions, right? So I'm just closing this class, right? And we'll be dealing with the cimetidine in the tomorrow class. So just in the tomorrow class, just be more interactive, right? More interactive means be interactive actually, right? So I'm just canceling this class and thank you for joining, right?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.